Hello, in this video I want to show you how to send items to friends in Last Epoch. And to do this, first let's open our inventory, and then there's a gifting tab. When you open it, you will see all of your friends, and you'll be able to send different items to them. But for that you will also need this Orb of Resilience, I think it was called. It looks like this. You can find it by playing basically the game with your friends. It will drop from enemies, and then you'll be able to send items that didn't drop from the same location. Now there's also option to send items for free, but for that you will need to drop those items in the same location where you were in the party with your friends, and that will basically allow you to send those items for free. And to do that, you can right click on the portrait of your friend and then send a gift, and just drag the item and send it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.